Hi, I'm Justine. Are you ready to activate, ignite, and spark your intuitive innovation through a 5-minute guided meditation? We're going to do that. It's going to be quick and it's going to help you access this deep core inside you, which is a well for all of your most innovative, authentic ideas. They're buried in this well, so we need an activation meditation to go deep in there to get access to these ideas. So join me in this, find a comfortable place. After the meditation, take some time to journal and record your thoughts and impressions from this, and then share with me in the comments below what really stuck out to you, what ideas you're really feeling excited about. Also, if you don't want to write in the comments, that's fine too. If you want to talk to me directly about the ideas that are coming up, I would love to hear from you, love to hear about what's coming up for you and see if I can help you bring that into life, into tangible reality too. You can actually email me at teamimcode@gmail.com and we can talk directly. Have fun in this meditation. Okay, so be sure you're sitting in a comfortable position or laying down and in a place where you won't be disturbed for about 5 minutes. And you're going to take a deep breath, relaxing all parts of your head, your face, your mouth, your eyes, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, allowing your chest to breathe in and out, releasing all that no longer serves you, releasing any pent-up stress, breathing in new, fresh energy, new, fresh ideas, dropping into your stomach, into the core, feeling now the core essence of you, your divine spirit, soul self, connecting here to your source, your higher power, higher self, and God. Aligning in perfect unity and harmony, and opening this channel to God to allow your divine purpose to be known to you. Feeling gratitude for all that already exists in your life, for all the ideas you've already had. Remembering who you truly are. Remembering what you really came to Earth for. Knowing that when you come out of this meditation, you will feel lighter, more connected, brighter, more joyful, more at ease, and more peaceful, and in total harmony with nature. In this peace and harmonious state you will be in will carry you forward, allowing new ideas to easily drop in to your soul, your consciousness, And you will be able to decipher and have discernment easily, knowing exactly which ideas you feel most called to pour your soul into, pour your creativity into, time, energy, and resources into. Trusting that the ideas that spark the most joy are the ones designed for you to fulfill, to make tangible. Keep breathing. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, remembering this new level of peace and harmony, which is aligning you with your true purpose and will allow all the most brilliant ideas that are possible for you to fulfill will come directly to you. And you will have the discernment to choose which ones are perfect for you to fulfill.